folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. Well, it's time. It is time. Going to Maiden, the FMS P-40B.
Low rates, high rates.
I'm going to put her in high rate, which is 100% throws. Let me make sure. Yeah, 100% throws over 30% expo. So let's go out here.
Motor on.
Motor on. All right, let me get on my designated spot over here, my wonderful square. And let's take her down here. Do a range test. I haven't even usually I'll put a plane together and set her up on a radio, you know, and everything. And I'll take her out and put her in my driveway and go up and down around the driveway just to see how she taxis. I haven't even done that with this plane. This is the first time outside of the man cave shop that I have remotely controlled this aircraft. So to do a range test, you're going to go to your bar, go to your function list by hitting your bar, your roller. You're going to go down to range test, which is just below sequencer. You want to hold down your power button or your bind, and you look for movement on the plane. All right. Hold on. All right. Okay, we're good. All right, bring her back up here. Man, what a beautiful plane. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the yellow on that wingtips. Okay. All right, let's do a control surface test. We got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. All right, got everything we need. Get her turned around here. And if all goes well, I'll do a, you know what, let me do something for movement on my, hold on just a second, folks. We're gonna, okay, rudder is set for, okay. All right, I'm sorry, folks, I don't mean to delay anything. All right, want to get a little more movement out of my rudder. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left. Okay, well, you know what? Well, I need to calibrate my ESC.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
But maybe it's just me. It just doesn't seem to have much power to the punch. Huh. So let's calibrate the ESC real quick. Let me show you how y'all do that. Because it just doesn't seem to have much oomph when I go to take. It's got a 4-cell battery in it. So let's motor off. Okay. So what you're going to want to do, okay. All right. Disconnect your battery. Okay. Turn your throttle all the way up. Make sure your motor's on.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Okay. All right, let me make sure. See what if I should have immediate. Yeah. All right, good. I got immediate response. So, all right. What I did was you put your throttle all the way on your receiver. Then you power on the aircraft with your throttle cut off. Okay, and then the ESC realizes, oh, we got power to the throttle right off the bat. That means calibration mode, full throttle, and then it goes into calibration mode. As soon as you hear the beeps, you drop your throttle down, and then your ESC should initialize. So, oh yeah, I got a lot more turning authority now. All right, let's see if that doesn't give me a little bit better of a response now. All right, right, up, down.
Low rates, high rates.
Definitely want high rates. Well, still doesn't seem to be very fast. But that's okay.
Gear up. Gear down.
Good looking plane. Man, that's a good looking plane. But like I say, whenever you're just learning to plane for the first time,
Takeoff flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps.
all right,
Flaps up.
let's take her over here. Uh-oh. All right. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to get her turned around here. This plane is supposed to be really good on grass, so let's do some grass hops. Okay? All right. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Yeah.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute. Flaps up.
Okay. But as you can see, she can take off okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, help me. Trying to get her turned around there. Oh, this wind today is horrible. Still got a minute. Ah, oh, man, this wind is bad today. That's the way it is. You fly when you can. Yeah, this grass is roughed here too. So let's get her taxied back. All right, I don't really have any wind now. Now the wind died. So let's take off on this grass here. I wonder if my battery's bad.
Landing flaps.
Because that would definitely explain it. Whoa. Having a hard time today.
10, 9, 8.
But no worse for the wear.
Motor on.
Motor off. Yeah, maybe my battery might be bad. I hope not. That's a very expensive Spektrum battery. All right, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have to figure out why I don't seem to have enough power. But then again, the C rating on that battery is only 30. That might be part of it. So, well, I'm still going to call it a successful Maiden because she came back in one piece and no complete nose over. So, all right, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't talk today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber and a viewer. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Bye-bye.